Hey, Kerry Russell here, of course, from the blog mechanic.com. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you have added the code, so the CSS rule, for your body text and for your headline text. But then when you've gone to take a look at your theme, or your website, should I say, not every area of font has changed on the website, okay? Now with most themes, this is typical. So what I'm going to do in this very short video is just show you how you can fix that using CSS. Now to fix this, we're actually going to use the inspector tool of either the Firefox or the Chrome browser. So if you're not using Firefox or Chrome, please, install the browser if you don't have it, or open it up if you do have it, so you can then follow along with this tutorial. So on my screen right now, you are seeing my my website, my test website that I'm using for the purposes of this tutorial. I'm on the custom CSS page, okay? And here you can see I have entered the body font text and the headline font text. But like most themes, not all of the text has changed, okay? So on my particular theme, the actual entry headline for blog posts and pages hasn't changed. So here's the entry headline. This will appear on the blog feed page and also on this single post page, okay? But if I scroll down to another headline that's being used within the post, you can see that the font is different. So this is the font that I have actually chosen, which is called Laura font, okay? So obviously I want all my headline fonts to be the same, and you will do too. And it's very likely that this has also happened with your theme. So to fix that, using either Chrome or the Firefox browser, you want to hover your mouse over the heading, because we now need to find the CSS selector that we can use to target this font, okay? So hover your mouse over the heading, and then I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click Control, and I'm going to left click my mouse, and that brings me up a menu, and then I'm going to go to the Inspect tab. Now, if you're on a Windows, I think you just right click your mouse. It's been quite a long time since I used a Windows system, but on Mac it's Control Inspect. Now if I click that, it's going to open up a panel to the right hand side, as we've just seen, and you will see that part of the code is highlighted, okay? And the highlighted code, I'm hovering my mouse over. This is the code that we need to target in the CSS to change it on your website, okay? Now, if you look to the middle section of my screen, where you can actually see the headline on my website, because I am hovering over the highlighted text in the right-hand column, it actually tells me the CSS class that I need to target to change that. See if I can say this word. Specific. Never been able to say that word. Anyway, so it tells me the CSS class that I need to target. And in this case, it is h1.entry-title. So that's the CSS class that I need to add to the custom CSS area of my website. So let's go do that now. So I'll click off there. If you just watch the font here, just to see how it changes once I've added the code. So in my code that I've already added, I'm going to go to the end where it says H6. I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to put h1.entry title, and then voila, you can see that the entry headlines have now changed to the font, okay? So that's basically how you change the font in any area of your website if it's not changed when you initially added the CSS code. So I hope that helps. If you do get stuck, or you have any questions, or you'd like me to just take a look at your site to find the CSS selector for you, leave your comments in the comments box below, okay, and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to leave your site URL so I can actually take a look, and I'll let you know what it is. Okay, that's it from me. I'll speak to you in just a moment in the tutorial. Bye for now.